good.
That's why I asked the 18-year-olds. They know. All right, here we go. Kristen. You're still Kristen? Oh. All right. Check this out. Pink and you say that's orange. Kristen's gonna be your eyes, because those in the back you might have a little hard time with this, but this is this almost looks impossible. In fact, they're locked together in the sense that I'd have to take off my fingertips if I were to pull it apart. See that? See that? How they're locked together? See that? See they're locked together? All right, don't worry. They don't know what this is. It's good. Locked together, right? Locked. I mean, again, you can even see the tension, right? See that?
Wow.
Hey, do your fingers. People think I'm doing sleight of hand, and they're right. Kristen, round of applause!
Hey, good job. And Doug.
All right, give me a break.